Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys a possible fix which you can use if you want your Davinci Resolve to start if it's not starting already as it should. This works for Windows. I'm not sure for Mac or Linux, so I'll just be explaining for Windows because that's what I have. For the other ones, you can check out other tutorials and other videos online. But without further ado, let's get right into the fix. As you can see, I can launch it no problem, but I'm still going to show you the fix. And first, what you're going to want to do is go into your display settings in your device, and you can do that by either going there. You can either type it here and search for it. I cannot find it, but you can also go to your what's it called, the settings tab. You can also go to the system and then go into display, and let it just launch. And once I go into display, you just want to scroll down, and if you have graphics settings, you need to click on graphics settings, and that's going to launch this window. And as you can see, graphics performance preferences are what you want to edit, and if it's a desktop app, you want to click browse and locate Davinci Resolve. In my case, it's on X, and I'm pretty sure it is under Davinci Resolve. Click that and just click resolve.exe and add that to your performance preferences, and then just go to the options of Davinci Resolve and click on power saving, and then save it so that it uses less memory from your GPU and so that it saves the power. However, that should fix your problem, and Davinci Resolve should start very easily. I'm just going to remove it since I don't need it, but that's what you can try to actually fix your Davinci Resolve, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.